At Grant High School, 1/5 of the students play a sport. Of the students who play a sport, half of them play football. What fraction of the students at Grant High School play football? Well, we need to figure out what 1/5 of 1/2 is. That means 1/5 times 1/2. So when multiplying two fractions, you multiply the numerators together and you multiply the denominators together. So multiplying straight across the top, 1 times 1 is 1. And multiplying straight across the bottom, 5 times 2 is 10. That gives us a fraction of 1/10. Now, 1/10 of what? What fraction of the students at Grant High School play football? So 1/10 of the students play football. And that is going to be, after I write it out and put a period at the end, our answer.